Hello friends, welcome to Inausco Digital's YouTube channel. This is Sejal and in today's video we will discuss about 404 error page. What is a 404 error page, how to apply it and why is it an essential part of your website's SEO. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is a 404 error page? A 404 error page is basically a response code that the browser is unable to find the requested web page from the user. Even though it is not mandatory to have a 404 error page, it is good if you have one. Many of you might be wondering why. We will be discussing the importance of having a 404 error page later in this video, so watch this video till the end. Before that, let's take a look at what a 404 error page looks like. There is no criteria for creating a 404 error page, but your 404 page should show off your creativity and personality along with helping the user. A great 404 page can be a smart way to show off your brand's personality. Using links, smart graphics, and humorous copy can make the user forget that there was an issue on your site. You can either have an innovative or a simple layout for your 404 error page. It all depends on your creative thinking. The only thing you should remember is to add your website's URL along with the error message. It will help user to redirect to your website and will help you from losing the traffic. Now we know what a 404 error page looks like. It's time to move on the next part of the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Why is it good to have a 404 error page? 404 error page can be frustrating for user. The main purpose of having a 404 error page is to turn the potential negative experience of user into a positive one. If your website doesn't have a 404 error page, the user will land on some generic error page. Well, certainly you don't want that, but you can avoid it by just creating a 404 error page. Creating a custom 404 error page with helpful links will reduce bounce rate and keep users on your website. Keep people engaged with your site and move through your sales process. Leave them with a good feeling after a positive resolution to their 404 problem. How to apply a 404 error page on your website? Just knowing the importance of 404 error page is not enough. You need to ensure that it is applied on your website. If you are using a WordPress, you will have access to its plugin, allowing you to customize a 404 error page. If you are not using WordPress as a CMS, you need to ask your developer or designer to create and implement a 404 error page for you. So friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video informative. Stay tuned to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.